Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to cancel your order on Deliveroo. Now if you want to cancel your order on Deliveroo, you need to simply follow the steps shown in the video to cancel it. So make sure that you have installed the Deliveroo app on a device. So if you have not installed it, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that, first thing you need to make sure is that check if you can cancel the order or not. You can only cancel an order before the restaurant starts preparing it, or if it's still being processed. Once it's confirmed and the driver is on its way, you can't cancel the order. After that, open the Deliveroo app on a device and you make sure that you are logged into your account. Now you need to go on the order section from the menu. Now you will see the option of order center on the home page. So currently it is not available in my country, so I can't show you the order section and all. So after that, you need to find the order and you need to select the order which you want to cancel. So if the option is still available, you will see the option of cancel order button. So you need to click on the option of cancel order and confirm your cancellation, and if you're eligible, you will be refunded automatically. If the option is not available, then the food has already been processed and it's already on its way. So after that, you won't be able to cancel the order, but you can contact a customer care support from the app and you can cancel it for yourselves. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.